This is the RapidCheck device from M2Sys Technology. It has a two-finger flat or single finger rolled fingerprint sensor. Has a built-in screen, touchpad buttons. The back of the device has a face and iris camera, a microphone. Alright, so to start a session, as the screen says, you're going to click the button here to begin a new session. A menu comes up where it asks you if you want to start a new session. You can hit the session button repeatedly to choose yes or no. If we're going to start a new session, you're going to hit the enter button. Here it's going to ask you which session mode you're going to be performing. So you can scroll through with the mode button: tactical, hasty, miscellaneous, criminal, or ad hoc. So in this case, let's say we want to do a tactical session, so we'll hit enter. So at this point we're in progress within the session, so we can hit any of the biometric buttons to perform the biometric capture of that type. So if we hit the fingerprint button, it'll let us choose which finger we're going to enroll, so we can scroll through that, index fingers or thumbs for the tactical mode, or if we want to cancel back out to the session again. So if we're going to do 2 index fingers, we're going to hit the enter button, and then the user is going to ask the subject to do the biometric scan. So here it says to place their finger on the scanner. And here it shows the actual captured fingerprints on the screen once the capture is successful. And then we can proceed from the session in progress state to the next process. We would capture the next set of fingerprints until we've captured all of the prints, and then proceed to iris. So if we want to capture the eyes, we would hit the iris button. Again, there's a menu to let you choose between which eye you're capturing, left eye or right eye, or if you want to cancel back to the main session screen. So again, if we're going to capture the left eye, we would hit the enter button, and then you would hold the device up so that the subject can look into the mirror for the iris capture. Once the capture is successful, you'll see the final image. You continue capturing all of the required biometrics until you've finished. When you're done, you'll hit the session button again. And here you can choose to check the status, so you can review which required biometrics have been completed and which are still needing to be completed. You can save or discard the session or return back into the session. So in this case, we want to save and end. We hit enter. It'll save the session information, and then we can proceed with the next capture.